So let's discuss the next problem. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 1 by 2 centimeter and its area is 7 1 by 2 square centimeters. Calculate the length of its perpendicular sides. All of you read the question and tell me what you have understood and what we need to find out. Yes, we have a right triangle. Good. With hypotenuse 6 1 by 2 centimeter. Yes. And the area is 7 1 by 2 square centimeter. Good. We need to calculate the length of its perpendicular sides. That is this length and this length. Okay. So let's do it. First of all, here we need to find the length of perpendicular sides. So what will you take? Let the base of right triangle be x and let the height of right triangle be y. You can take the base of right triangle as y and height of right triangle as x. There is no problem. Okay. Because the base and height are the perpendicular sides. Okay. Now, what you are going to do next? The next step. Hypotenuse of right triangle is given as 6 1 by 2. So now let's relate this base, height and hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square. Good. Then replace each of these and tell me. Correct. It's x square plus height square become y square equal to 6 1 by 2 square. Isn't it? Good. Now, okay, this is our first equation. Okay. Look at the question once again. The area is 7 1 by 2 square centimeters. Next, what will you do? Yes, the area of right triangle is complete it. 7 1 by 2. Good. Then, what is the area of a right triangle? The formula. Half into base into height. Good. And that is 7 1 by 2. Okay. Then, what is base and height here? X and y. So, we will replace. Okay, then tell me. Half into x into y equal to 7 1 by 2, that is 15 by 2, isn't it? Okay. So, writing together, what will be half into x into y? Half xy, that is equal to 15 by 2. So, what will be xy? Correct. 15 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So, division of two fractions is multiplication of one with reciprocal of the second one. That is xy equal to 15 by 2 into 2 by 1. Isn't it? So, we can cancel these 2's. So, remaining is 15 by 1. That is 15. So, xy becomes 15. So, we got another equation xy equal to 15 and we take this as equation number 2. Okay. So, we got two equations. X square plus y square equal to 6 1 by 2 square and xy equal to 15. Now, my question is, how will you solve this? Yes, one is a first degree equation and another is a second degree equation. Very good. So, we use identities. Good. But I need to know the identity that you are going to take. You have x square plus y square and xy. Which is the identity that consisting of these terms? Very good. It's x plus y the whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. I think this is the first time that we are taking this identity. Okay. എപ്പോഴും ഓർത്തോണം നമ്മൾ ഒറ്റ ഐഡന്റിറ്റി അല്ല എല്ലാത്തിനും ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ, നമ്മുടെ പ്രോബ്ലം അനുസരിച്ച് നമ്മൾ കൃത്യം ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എടുക്കണം. ഓക്കെ. നമ്മൾ ആ ഇക്വേഷൻ നന്നായിട്ട് നോക്കിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ഏത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയാണ് അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് എന്ന്. ഓക്കെ. Then you have x square plus y square and xy with you. So my question is, what will be your next step? X plus y the whole square equal to, correct, 6 1 by 2 the whole square. plus 2 into 15. Isn't it? Good. We will replace this with 6 1 by 2 square and xy with 15. Okay. Then solve it. Okay. 6 1 by 2 square is correct. 6 1 by 2 into 6 1 by 2. That is 13 by 2 the whole square. Isn't it? What is 13 by 2 the whole square? 13 by 2 into 13 by 2. And what is that? Correct. 169 by 4. If you have doubt with this step, you can do 13 into 13 and you will get 169. And 2 into 2 is, it's 4. So, 6 1 by 2 the whole square is 169 by 4. So, we will replace 6 1 by 2 square with this 169 by 4. So, what you get? 169 by 4 plus 30. Now, what is the next step? 289 by 4. Can anyone of you tell me how you got this? Yes. Here we have 169 by 4 plus 30. We can write 30 as 30 by 1. So, in order to make the denominator same, we multiply both numerator and denominator with 4. So, there is no change for 169 by 4 and this becomes 120 by 4. So, on adding numerator we get 289 and denominator is 4. Okay, good. Next. So we got x plus y square equal to 289 by 4. So x plus y will be correct. Square root of 289 by 4 and that is 17 by 2. You can check it. Okay. ഞാനൊരു ക്ലൂ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. എന്തായാലും സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 4 2 ആണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം. പിന്നെ 15 സ്ക്വയർ നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന 225 ആണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം. സോ 289 ഈസ് ബിഗ്ഗർ ദാൻ 225. സോ ഉറപ്പായിട്ട് 15 സ്ക്വയറിനേക്കാളും വലിയൊരു നമ്പർ ആയിരിക്കുമല്ലോ. സോ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം ജസ്റ്റ്. ഇനി 16 സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് ആലോചിച്ച് നോക്കിയേ. 16 സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 16 into 16. The number in the unit place will be 6. But here we need 9. So 16 square is not 289. Next option is 17. 17 into 17. You just think 7 into 7 gives 49. So in the unit place there will be 9. So there is a chance. So you just try it and then you get 289. Okay. Then you got x plus y equal to 17 by 2. We call this as equation 3. So നമുക്ക് എന്താ വേണ്ടത്? നമുക്കൊരു എക്സ് പ്ലസ് വൈയും വേണം, നമുക്കൊരു എക്സ് മൈനസ് വൈയും വേണം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ സുഖമായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തെടുക്കാം. You got x plus y and now we need x minus y, isn't it? So how will you move forward? You have another identity connecting these. Which is that? Yes, you need to find an identity connecting x plus y equal to 17 by 2 and xy equal to 15. Which is that? Correct. X plus y the whole square equal to x minus y the whole square plus 4xy, isn't it? Now tell me the next step. X plus y is 17 by 2. So x plus y the whole square will be 17 by 2 the whole square equal to x minus y the whole square we don't know. So we write it as itself. 4 into xy is 4 into 15. So what you get? X minus y the whole square equal to, which is the first term that will be coming? 17 by 2 the whole square. Then, correct, minus 4 into 15. Next, let's do 17 by 2 the whole square. That is 17 by 2 into 17 by 2 and that is 289 by 4. ഇത് ചെയ്ത പോലെ നോക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാം. ഓൾറെഡി സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 289 by 2 17 by 2 ആണ്. അപ്പം the square of 17 by 2 will be 289 by 4. Okay. So, next step becomes x minus y the whole square equal to 289 by 4 minus 60. As we done the same, we can say x minus 5 the whole square equal to 289 minus 240 by 4. What we did is, we did multiply 60 with 4 and divide it by 4. So we get 240 by 4 and its subtraction. So 289 minus 240 by 4. So x minus 5 the whole square becomes 49 by 4. So x minus y will be 7 by 2, isn't it? Square root of 49 by 4, that is 7 by 2. So we got next equation and we call this as equation 4. So we got two equations. One is x plus y equal to 17 by 2 and the other is x minus y equal to 7 by 2. Now you can easily solve this. Tell me. On adding, what do you get? Correct. 2x plus 0y equal to, what is 17 by 2 plus 7 by 2? 17 plus 7 is 24 by 2. What is 24 by 2? Correct. It's 12. So we get 2x equal to 12. What will be x? Good. X will be 12 divided by 2. And what is that? X is 6. So we got the value of x. Now what is y? Okay, I am taking equation 4. That is x minus y equal to 7 by 2. So replace x with 6. We get correct. 6 minus y equal to 72. So what will be y? Yes, very good. 6 minus 7 by 2. So how will you solve? Y will be, this can be written as by 1 and we multiply it with 2. So 12 by 2 minus 7 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Okay. So we got the value of y as 5 by 2. And what is this x and y? Base of right triangle is taken as x and we get it as 6. Good. And height of right triangle is taken as y and we get it as 5 by 2 centimeter. Good. Let's consolidate what we have seen till now. What is the first step? We first find out two equations from the problem, in which one is a second degree equation and the other is a first degree equation. Good. Then, yes, we change the second degree equation into a first degree equation by using appropriate identity. Okay. And then we obtain two equations. One is of the form x plus y equal to a and other is of the form x minus y equal to b. Then, solving these two problems, that is usually we add to cancel y. We find the value of one letter, that is x. And using that, we find the value of y, that is the other letter. This is the same procedure we are following. Now, if you recall the previous problems, you can see the same steps. Okay. Let's do another problem. Find the value of x and y for which x square plus y square equal to 73 and xy equal to 24. So, I think this question is easy for you. All of you, tell me the steps. Yes, we have x square plus y square equal to 73 and x equal to 24 from the question. We need to find the value of x and y. Okay. So, do you know how to solve this? Yes, now you know how to solve this using, yes, identity. Which identity? Correct. X plus y the whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. That is, x plus y the whole square equal to 73 plus 2 times 24. Isn't it? Good. That is x plus y the whole square equal to 73 plus 2 times 24 gives 48. So x plus y the whole square becomes, add these two. Correct, it's 121. So what will be x plus y? Yes, square root of 121. And what is that? Yes, it's 11. So we got one equation as x plus y equal to 11. And we need to find, correct, x minus y. So how will you do that? Yes, we have the next identity, that is x plus y the whole square equal to x minus y the whole square plus 4xy. Here we have x plus y and xy. So we can easily find x minus y. Okay, x plus y is 11. So x plus y the whole square will be 11 square, which is equal to, we don't know, x minus y the whole square. Plus 4xy becomes, correct, 4 into 24. So what we get? 121 is equal to, good, x minus y the whole square plus 96. But in order to find x minus y the whole square, we will subtract 96 from 121. That is, 121 minus 96 gives x minus y the whole square. So, x minus y the whole square will be 25. Good. What will be x minus y? Correct. It's square root of 25. Then, what is square root of 25? 5. So, we got x minus y as 5. And we call this as equation number 2. Now, you can easily solve this. Yes, we have x plus y equal to 11 and x minus y equal to 5. And we add these two. So we get, correct, 2x plus 0y equal to 16. That is 2x equal to 16. So x will be 16 divided by 2. That is, x will be, yes, 8. So we got the value of x as 8. Now we can find y. Here I am taking the first equation, that is x plus y equal to 11. And we will replace x with 8. So we get 8 plus y equal to 11. Isn't it? So y will be, good, 11 minus 8. That is, y will be 3. So we got the value of y as 3. So the numbers x and y are x equal to 8 and y equal to 3. You have 2 homework questions. All of you write it down and do it.
In this class, we have discussed so many problems. We have solved it using identities. All of you must go through these problems once again and do the homework problem and then come back in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.